Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove and how to connect or reconnect your center wheel hub cover of your wheels on your Audi A4 or S4 or RS4. You can see I detached, so I removed the entire tires for this because it is necessary to remove the center wheel cover, not to do this. This is important to do this not in a sampled way. So we removed the tires and here we are. And you can see, if you are looking from the back side to your rim, you can see there is a spring system and a cover plate. And this we can push out by using a stick or a screwdriver, but it has to be a big one, not a small screwdriver, to get this out of the position. You can see, press a little bit, it comes out. Awesome. Let's perform this in another direction. You can see I press this cover out of the base and then it is off the tire. After you have new covers, for example, you can push them back into position, but in this case the tires can be attached on your car. Set them on flat and then push them around the circle in a halo selection into it, and then they will be locked in immediately. Maybe you are using a rubber hammer for this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.